Russian President Vladimir Putin's state visit to India on December 4th and 5th marks the latest chapter in the Indo-Russian relationship, which has been shaped by over 2 decades of close coordination in defense, nuclear and energy sectors. Here are the 8 times the Russian president visited India and concluded significant agreements that strengthened bilateral cooperation. During his 2021 visit to New Delhi, Putin had held wide-ranging talks with Prime Minister Narendra Modi to strengthen the special and privileged strategic partnership. Several agreements across defense, trade, energy, science and other sectors were signed during that visit to deepen bilateral cooperation. In 2018, Putin held multiple meetings with Prime Minister Modi, engaged in delegation-level talks and witnessed the exchange of agreements. He also interacted with children, addressed the India-Russia Business Summit and met the then President of India, Ramnath Kovind. In 2016, President Putin visited Goa for the BRICS Summit and the 17th India-Russia Annual Summit with Prime Minister Modi, reviewing bilateral ties and signing key agreements. During his visit in 2014, Putin attended the 15th India-Russia Annual Summit with Prime Minister Modi, outlining the Druzhba Dosti vision to strengthen bilateral ties. The leaders agreed to enhance cooperation across key areas such as energy, defense, technology, trade, culture, and global strategic issues. In 2012, Putin visited Delhi, holding delegation-level talks with then Prime Minister Manmohan Singh and signed key agreements. He also engaged with the chairperson of the UPA, Sonia Gandhi, and leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha, Sushma Swaraj. India and Russia signed key agreements in strategic partnership, space cooperation, energy, banking and city-level collaboration during his visits in 2002 and 2004. The two nations also agreed on visa-free travel for diplomatic and official passport holders to strengthen bilateral ties. Since 2000, each of Putin's trips to India has led to the securing of long-term projects and a reaffirmation of the special and privileged strategic partnership between the two countries.